Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. If you are seeing my tutorial for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, it's a simple top that we are making today. Please feel free to click the red button under my video to subscribe. You can share, like, and comment. Keep on watching this video to the end. Let's get started. The fabric will be cut together, the front and the back parts will be cut together, but I'm starting my measurement from the back part of my fabric. I'll go ahead and give my zipper side by 1 inch, and I'll keep on marking the zipper side by 1 inch. So after marking it, I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the marks together. And don't forget, it was 1 inch that I added as my zipper allowance. I'm connecting the lines together. So after that, I'm going to start with my shoulder measurement. So my shoulder is by 8 inches, so I'm going to also mark it down there. Then I'm going to connect the marks together for the shoulder measurement, and it's by 8 inches. So from my shoulder to this point, that's where my chest line is, and it's by 8 inches also. So that's the chest line measurement. Then I'm going to connect the lines together for the chest line measurement. So right now I'm going to also place my tape from my shoulder to the full length of my fabric, and it's by 17.5 inches. So the measurement is by 17.5 inches for the length of my top. So the measurement is 5 inches, that is the neck of my style. Then I'm going to bring it down by 1.5 inch. Then I'm going to connect it from the 5 inches point to the 1.5 inch. Okay, then I'll go ahead and slope my shoulder. So I'm going to use my ruler to slope it down. I'm doing that by 1 inch. So my bust measurement is next, and is by 36 inches, is on the chest line measurement. Hope you have not forgotten that. That's where your bust measurement is, on your chest line, adding just one. So I meant 1 inch allowance, that is for the allowance for the bust measurement. So down to the bottom of the fabric is where my waist measurement is, and it's by 28 inches, adding 1.5 inch as the allowance. Right here is where my armhole is, and it's by 2 inches. Then I'm going to use my ruler now to give a curve for the armhole curve. So I'm done with the measurement, just for me to connect the lines. So I'm going to connect it from the bust down to the hemline area of my fabric. So at the bottom of my fabric, so I'm going to curve it a bit by 1 inch. So I'll be using my ruler now to curve it. So I'm going to use the other side of my ruler to curve it a bit at the bottom of the fabric, that is the hemline area of my fabric. So I'm done with the measurement. So I'll go ahead now to cut it out. So guys, don't forget to keep on watching this video to the end, and please, you can also turn notification bell so that you can see my next video upload that will be coming up on my YouTube channel. And you can also subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that this video can get to other people, so that they can also watch. And please, you can also check my other tutorials on my channel. I'm so happy. So guys, keep on watching this video. This tie is simple to cut, and it's something that you can wear out. You can wear it on your high waist jean. You can also wear it on your high waist skirt. And if you don't understand this tutorial, please feel free to ask me. You can drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you guys. And guys, I'm so sorry for not posting on Wednesday. Please, I'm so sorry. The back part will be used to cut the front part. Don't forget, it was the back part that we cut earlier. So that is what we are going to use to cut the front part of the fabric this time around. Okay, So I'm trying to arrange the fabric well so that we can start the measurement. So we are just going to like shift the zipper side out of my fabric like this, as you can see me doing. So this is how to go about it when you are cutting the front parts after cutting the back parts. Okay, so I'll bring down the depth of the neck by 3 inches, the front neck, and connect it like this. So this is for the front neckline that we are measuring now. Okay, so guys, keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. And if you have not subscribed, you can subscribe. I'm so sorry about what happened on Wednesday. I'm so sorry about that. It's not my making at all. Okay, I'm so sorry. Hope I'm forgiving, please. All right, so guys, keep on watching, and after this part we are going to join our body parts together, that is the front and the back piece. We are going to join them together. So we are going to head over to stitch the neckline together, and don't forget to ask your question. Ask your question, please. You can drop it in the comment section, and you can also check my other videos that I have on my channel. So I'm trying to trim out the excess that I'm having so that we can stitch the neckline together, so after cutting it out. So guys, keep on watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And after this part we are going to join the body measurement together. So here is the joining of the body measurement. I'll start my measurement from the bust. Don't forget, when joining your body parts, you need to divide your measurement by 2. And remember, our bust measurement is 36 inches. Then you divide it by 2. Then you are going to mark what you have after dividing your measurements by 2. That will be for the bust measurement. You are going to also do the same for the waist measurement. Our waist is 28 inches. Then you divide it by 2. So what you have after dividing it by 2 is what you are going to mark as your waist measurement. You can see how direct it is. So after that, just connect the lines together from the bust to the waist. And when sewing, so you are going to follow the line when sewing it together. So after this part, so you get to see the final look of the top. So guys, this is what I have as the final look of the outfit that we just made now. It's a simple top that you can wear on your jean, on your high waist skirt. I hope it was helpful to you. Please don't forget to click the red button to subscribe now, and you can also turn notification bell to get notified. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.